For the third step in filling in our canvas, we're going to take a look at the second column and we're going to design a new process. First, we have to ask ourselves what the vision was, and we filled this in our canvas before. And often you'll see that the vision is something like we want to create a feedback culture, we want to create an inclusive culture where people think about personal growth a lot, we want to create a culture where people are more digital and more adaptive and that kind of stuff. So that's why we don't just want to stop at the fact that we've implemented a new performance management system, say that we want people to just do one conversation a year anymore. We've implemented that, everybody's doing that, and voila, we're happy. No, because that's not the vision, that's not the end goal. So what we did is we've split it up into two parts. The first part is the mandatory part, where we will ask everybody to follow that part. For example, have one conversation a year, set an objective, whatever you can think of. Maybe you want to have them, have a specific conversation around specific things that are relevant for your company. But just make it as small as possible, but fill in something if your leadership is not at the highest maturity level. So you can offer people some of the expectations when you roll out this new process, because that will be their first question. What do you expect of me? And then secondly, as a second step, think about what you want to do with the front runners. Aside from the people that just want to follow the mandatory process, like a check in the box, you'll have people that want to be a good leader, that think about their own leadership skills a lot, and that invest time into their own leadership skills. And you have to ask yourself, what kind of tools are we going to offer those people? Offer those tools to everybody, and that way you can see who are the leaders that are doing a good job, who can I work with, and how can I grow that group of leaders that want to do a good job. And that way you've tackled the revamping of the performance management process, so the big group of people is happy because it's less administration, but you've also started in a very slow and adaptive way the cultural revolution that you want in your company by only providing good tools or offering good tools to everybody, but seeing that the people that want to invest in their own leadership, the good leaders, they start using them. So it's up to you now. Think about what minimal mandatory process you still need and what you could offer to those people that want to do a good job. Think about it, and good luck.